Mom, come here quickly. My package has finally arrived.
Really? Is it the new smartphone you ordered last week?
Yes, I was so excited. I got it for only $199. The original price was $799.
That's a huge discount. Are you sure the website was trustworthy?
I don't know, I found an advertisement on social media. The deal looked amazing.
Sometimes those ads can be fake.
I hope everything is fine. Let's open the box.
Go ahead.
Wait, why is the box so light?
That's strange. A smartphone box should be heavier.
I'm opening it now.
What do you see?
Oh no,
What happened?
there is no phone inside. It's just a cheap bar of soap.
I can't believe this.
I spent all that money for this?
I'm afraid you've been scammed.
I feel so stupid.
Don't blame yourself. Many people fall for online scams.
What should I do now?
First, don't throw away the box.
Why?
Because it's evidence. Take pictures of the package, the shipping label, and what's inside.
Good idea.
Also, keep your order confirmation and payment receipt.
I still have them in my email.
Perfect.
I'll contact customer support right now. Hello, I received the wrong item. I ordered a smartphone, but I got a bar of soap.
We're sorry to hear that. Could you please send photos of the package and your order number?
Sure, I'll send them immediately.
If the seller is responsible, you'll receive a full refund.
Thank you. I hope this problem can be solved.
Sarah, did you get any update?
Yes, the website never replied.
That's not good.
But I contacted my bank and reported the scam.
Excellent. What happened then?
After reviewing my case, the bank refunded my money.
That's great news.
I'm so relieved.
So, what did you learn from this experience?
I learned never to trust unbelievable discounts. I'll always check customer reviews before buying anything online.
And only shop from trusted websites.
I'll also avoid clicking suspicious advertisements.
That's the smartest decision.
Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. We all learn from our mistakes.
Next time, I'll shop more carefully.
Great. Stay safe while shopping online. Always shop from trusted websites. Read customer reviews.
And never trust deals that seem too good to be true. If you enjoyed the video, PLZ don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye-bye.